All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today I'm going to be taking care of something I should have done a long time ago when I first got this device. But since the OnePlus comes with a screen protector on board, I just chose not to. Decided not to do it, and so I'm going to go ahead and power off here. We'll power it off. And I don't wear a case on this, and this screen protector is getting really scratched up. I mean, it's getting pretty bad. But the nice part is OnePlus does offer a screen protector right out of the box, and so you might not be able to see it on video, but this screen protector is really beat up. So it's still working though. But what's not protected is the rear camera, and so I'm going to go ahead and protect my device today. So if you like screen protector videos, well, you're in the right place. So this should come with 2 screen protectors and then 2 of the little small ones for the camera module. There they are. I was getting worried for a second. All right, so here we go. We've got 1 and 1 and 1. We'll pop this back in here, my backups. So if anything were to happen, or I would just get another device. All right. Let's see what we got here. And by the way, this video is being recorded with the Pixel 8 Pro. No, I am not using Video Boost for this one. I'm just using regular 4K. If you haven't heard about Video Boost, you should probably check that out. Very cool feature. Google drops a lot. They drop a lot of features, and they drop the mic a lot. But I decided to go ahead and use the Pixel 8 Pro to record this video. So here's the front glass, and here is the rear glass. So, okay, there we go. So there's going to be a spot on here where that should be open. So the one thing about this is that I think I don't like is when companies don't give you a they don't give you any kind of guide for some things. So the most important part of this installation, folks, you need to make sure that the back camera is really clean. You cannot allow dust to get in here. It's going to be bad. If you allow dust in here, it's going to be bad because it's just going to mess up your photos. So you get 2 chances. I only get 1 because I'm going to get this right on the first time. So I have put on a lot of screen protectors, even without the guides. I just prefer the guide. I think the guide is just, something that companies would think that, okay, every consumer doesn't know how to put on a screen protector. I'm gonna go and peel this off, and I'm not gonna touch, and I'm actually holding on the edges. I'm looking for that area right there. Now this is where it gets tough, but I'm gonna do it on the first try. One last circle around, and I'm dropping this bad boy. It's gonna go right the first time. Did I get, oh, it's sealing up. Even if I didn't get it right, it's sealed up. But yeah, it is definitely on there. You can't really see it too much, but it's sealed up like first drop, like immediately. That's why I said you get 1 chance. You get 2, I get 1 because I'm not going to use the other one. And then now let's go to the front. So the front is a plastic screen protector on here. Again, no guide from this company. These screen protectors, this package, this kit was freaking like $8, $6 or something like that. So I'm not expecting them to really just, oh, John, here's a bunch of, I gotta get this off. This is a cheap screen protector they've got on here. Okay, here we go. Ooh, satisfying. All right, let's go ahead and get the wet wipe, and we're going to clean this up. I'm going to use the inside this time. And we're going to protect our OnePlus Open. I know you guys are excited about the OnePlus 12. I am as well. But it is ultimately the same device in a non-folding factor. But we're all going to buy it. As creators, we're going to buy it. So as we get this, just be sure to try not to touch your fingers on the display. Because again, even though you're buying a 2-pack, you only get 1 shot. You get 1 shot to get this right. So you can actually use the guides. Now, if you've ever wondered, these guide stickers right here are for this. What you do is you find the right size. So you put it down like this. So you clean this off. Now I don't find this to be effective at all. I just don't like it. I'm gonna do it for this video though, because they're technically giving you a guide. They're giving you a guide. You just need to use it properly. So you're supposed to put this down like this, and let me get one of the guides on here. There's a reason I don't like to do this, but this is what you're supposed to do. So you're supposed to line it up. You're supposed to do it like this. There you go. I need to move it up a little bit. Yeah, this is how you're supposed to do it. But I'm looking at the camera module. In the bottom of the phone, this screen protector is a little off, so I'm going to go ahead and move it up a little bit. Like the way it's cut. I'm going to go ahead and move it up just a hair. Don't be intimidated by screen protectors, folks. You get two technically, but I try not to waste screen protectors when I'm doing this. So after you get one down, you need to go ahead and put another one on at the top area like this. And you can actually leave it with just these two. You just need, but you know, they give you three. And so if you're looking at this, it's kind of shifted this way a little bit. So what I can do is kind of just lift it up and just kind of work it back over. Yeah, I normally wouldn't do this, but for the purposes of people who don't know how to put on a screen protector, you do technically get a guide. The guide I'm talking about is the frame. But for a phone like this, they could have made a frame, but they want to save money. So they mean the people, the companies making these screen protectors, they want to save money. So this is how you do it without the frame. This is the old school way. It's always been like this. This is how it's been done in the past when you don't have a frame. So then what you do is you lift this up and then you clean it. This is how it was done in the past. So if you haven't put on screen protectors in a while, or you're new to the screen protector game, this is how it was actually done. And in theory, this does work. I mean, I used to do it like this back in the day. But after you do so many screen protectors, you just throw them on there. Because now screen protectors come like 10 in a pack and stuff like that. So they know you're going to probably make a mistake. And that's why OEMs can make more money off of you by, like, I wouldn't have bought this in a one pack. It does come in a one pack where I get one camera protector and one screen protector. Yeah, I could buy it like that, but I'm not going to do that because the chances of me making a mistake are very high. So this is actually the way you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to peel this off. And then when you, oh, I can see a piece of lint right there. And then when you drop it back down, it'll fall right where it was aligned at. See? And then you just run your finger like this, and it seals up. And it's pretty much sealing up pretty good. You can push the bubbles. If you see a little area right there, you just push it out. Like there's a bubble right there. I could have pushed towards the edge, but I didn't catch it in time. But bubbles on these screen protectors, any screen protector that has a bubble, folks, it will come out. It just takes a little time. You got to give yourself 24 hours. Now, as easy as I try to make that look, it is not easy. But and I understand, like some of the how-to videos I put up on like putting on a case and stuff like that. A lot of you guys say thank you for those videos, and I need to be more how do I say it, humble, because a lot of people don't know how to make this go on very easy. And some people will see those bubbles right there and just be completely intimidated. But I can guarantee you, in 24 to 48 hours, just me pushing on them, they're going away. But in 24 to 48 hours, those will be gone. All right, so we're gonna power back on. Let's clean up here. And looks easy, right? And now my back area right here isn't sliding around the table, believe it or not. It's a little messy, but it's grabbing more fingerprints because, again, this isn't the $40 screen protector that some people say you need to have. I try not to spend a lot of money on screen protectors. I'll turn on power saving for this rest of this video. I try not to spend a lot of money on screen protectors because it's just a piece of glass on the back of glass. And so, yeah, this particular screen protector on the glass, I can tell it's not very good quality. Let me turn on the camera here. Yeah, camera, it's good enough to get good photos out of this. I can tell you that. It definitely looks good. All right, yeah, it is. It's good. Yeah, it's good. All right, let's see here. Let's open them up. These buds are incredible too, by the way, folks. Yeah. Camera looks good. Camera looks good. Now let's check out, let's do some video real quick. See if the video is good. Let's go with 4K. All right. Yeah. Video looks good. No problems whatsoever. So as long as you can get this screen protector on here properly on the camera, you know, I think that's probably the important one, because clean that area really good, and then make sure you have your lint, just make sure this area is taken care of the most, because you technically do get two in this pack here, but you don't want to use both of them. You want to save one just in case. Like, what if you have to send your phone in for service? And I know these screen protectors only cost like $6. I'll leave them down below, but still, you need to keep it protected. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick video on the OnePlus Open. We are now protected because this phone has never seen a case outside of the unboxing when I tested out the factory case, and I opted not to get a case. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.